Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the Winter Frost Fashionwave Memory Journal. So what is this item? This item is used to store your photos during the winter event, and it's also required for one of the winter quests, so make sure you don't miss it. And then now here's how to get it. First, you need to join the opening concert ceremony. Like this one. And then the concert location is at the end of Onsen Mountain over here. This one in here. So just head all the way there, and then for the first week this concert opens every day at 7 p.m. And then starting week 2, which is tomorrow, the concert will only be held every Saturday, so don't come on the wrong day. And once you successfully attend the concert event, you will automatically receive the Winter Frost Fashionwave Memory Journal like this. Like this. The memory journal looks like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.